Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the United Boeing 787-10. This is the last model I got from the airplane store in New Jersey, and I'm going to get right to it. So if you guys remember about the last two models I unboxed, the first one was this Delta A220 and then this American 777-200. So let me get right into it. Here you can see we have the box. It's a pretty standard Gemini Jets box. Here we have the United logo. Here it says Boeing 787-10 and then a decal of the aircraft. Here on the side of the box you can see we have another decal of the aircraft and then this that says Boeing 787-10. The Gemini Jets logo, 1/400 scale diecast model, another decal of the aircraft, Gemini Jets logo, and adult collectible model. If you look inside, it gives you some information about the aircraft and you can actually see it there. So now just opening the box. Here we have the classical Gemini Jets blue on the bottom, clear on the top packaging. There we go. Here we have the clear on the top and then this blue on the bottom. And here to protect the paint, we have these little sheets. So now let me take the model out. All right, let me get all this stuff cleared out of the way and then I'll come back to you guys. Just first impressions on the aircraft. I absolutely love this model. This is definitely becoming one of my favorite Gemini Jets really fast. You can see on the front, something that I noticed just by taking it out of the box is that, first of all, I don't know why the landing gear does that, but that front landing gears, that rubber kind of scrapes a little bit. But there on the front, you can see the cockpit windows are not like the usual Gemini Jets black color. They're more of a brownish. And that's interesting because I've always known that Gemini Jets puts like a black pigment in their cockpit, so I'm not sure why this is brown. So now starting in more detail on the aircraft. So here on the front of the aircraft, you can see we have the Star Alliance logo, those brown cockpit windows, and then on the bottom the landing gear. Something that I noticed about this landing gear is that when you roll it forward and backwards, it almost makes like a squeaking noise. Sorry, that's the table. There you have the door next to it, L1, and then if I scoot it down even more, there you have the United logo. Above that, we have an antenna and we have a Wi-Fi hub. But I keep on scooting it down. There we have that great blue engine from the new United livery, and then also that like silver rim around the engine. Keep on scooting it down. We have that wing flex on the 787, all of these windows, a couple more doors, and then here in the back we have that Dreamliner logo and the registration, which is November 1, 2010, and then the American flag. And then we have that last door there with some antennas on the top. If I keep on scooting it down, there we have the tail, so I'm going to go into more detail on the tail. So now going into more detail on the tail, you can see that there's that like nice blue color. This is the new United livery. I'm going to bring in the old one on the 747, which is why it's so much bigger. But they have that massive 747 tail. You can see that it's more of a gold color and gold and whites and just that one initial dark blue color. Here you can see they incorporated a lot more blues, especially into that globe. The globe is like a very light blue surrounded with that same dark blue, and then on the top it goes back into the light blue. So now looking at the front of the aircraft, you can see it's more of a low-sitting aircraft. I like that. I think it looks a lot better on the airport. I like that more than the 777s, which if I bring one in, you can see how much taller they can get. So I really like that it's more low-sitting to the ground. I think that really kind of looks more realistic. On the sides, you have those engines with the fan blades. The fan blades on this model are very like open. You can see right through them. They look very nice. And then the wing flex on the 787. Now looking at the bottom of the aircraft, you can see on the front we have that front landing gear. As we scoot down, we have the two mains and our engines. We have also the wheel wells there, and then we have the model hull, and then the Gemini Jets logo, because what would a Gemini Jets plane be without a Gemini Jets logo? So here's something I thought was interesting, though. This is one of my favorite models, definitely getting up there. It's probably my favorite now, but something very interesting that I saw, and I was like, that's weird. I'm definitely not the biggest fan of it. These ailerons, just like the 737-800, they're plastic. These are bendable. They're plastic. And then I was like, oh, that's weird, so I'll just hold it by the tail fin. The tail fin is also plastic. So you got a all plastic back of the plane there with all the fins, which I thought that was pretty interesting. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.